12-inch all-leather youth baseball glove styled after Bryce Harper's game model. Youth Pro Taper Fit pattern offers a smaller hand opening for greater control. Pro H Web with all-leather lacing ideal for use in the outfield. Palm and index finger padding with cushioned fingerback lining. Game ready, comes 90% broken in from the factory. Right hand orientation equals right hand throw / left hand orientation equals left hand throw. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome value. Bought this beauty glove for my 7 to 8 years old son who is beginning his rep career. He doesn't know much about gloves yet, but he'll love this baby once I get her worked. Typical Rawlings feel, lightweight, durable, and comfortable. Everything you want in a glove. From a value standpoint, this glove is as good as you will find that doesn't a fortune. Very pleased with this purchase. Edit, bought a second glove for my second child.